What is the significance of routine chiropractic adjustments? Chiropractic adjustments help you to get relief from chronic or acute pain. Scheduling regular visits to a chiropractor prevent the pain from returning. After a few weeks or months of chiropractic care, you'll feel much better. Regular appointments keep your spine aligned and the muscles and joints flexible. The following points define the significance of routine chiropractic adjustments. Restore body functions. If your spine is misaligned slightly, then the signals from the brain go haywire. Chiropractic care can prevent function restriction to ensure the body functions at its peak. Prevent headaches. If you suffer from headaches or migraines, your quality of life is impaired due to vomiting, nausea, sensitivity of light or sound. Chiropractic care treats the neck and upper back where headaches and migraines typically begin. Keep joints moving freely. Joints have a limited range of motion and some causes poor flexibility due to acute injuries, bad posture, wear and tear, sitting for long hours, chronic health conditions. Through chiropractic care you can improve the flexibility of the joints and get relax tense muscles, realign the bones, freeze up joints, sleep soundly. Many sleep problems can be linked to muscle tension in the back and neck. If you make chiropractic care a regular part of a routine, you can keep this tension at bay. Conclusion. Consult with a reputed chiropractor to live a pain-free life with routine chiropractic care. In this way, you will enjoy life by performing all the activities efficiently. Thank you.